on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Also comment me in the comment section about this software. And in my next video I will tell you about another software. With this software you can check your video ranking before loading on your channel. So stay tuned with my Tech Plus. Today we are talking about Video Marketing Blaster software VBM Free. With the help of this software you can get video keyword suggestions, generate SEO title and descriptions. If you are a blogger or a YouTuber, then you can rank on the first page of Google and YouTube. This Video Marketing Blaster software in the format of zipped file. You have to extract this file. I have already extracted. After extracting this file you have to open the folder and Video Marketing Blaster Pro. Double click on this software, click on yes, and this software started. You need to open all the time this software from the location where you zip or where you save. This Video Marketing Blaster Pro always behave the same when you open. Don't worry, do the same every time and use Video Marketing Blaster Pro. We have to use only a simple trick and you will be able to use it. Don't fill these two fields, email and code. Click on Start VMB Pro and the new bar will be open. Here this will ask you for the latest version. Always click on no. Please always take care of this option and click on no. Here you can see your Video Marketing Blaster VMB is ready to use. If you click on the dashboard, it will show all campaigns details, video ranking on Google, comments and like. But we cannot use this option. Leave this and go to the keywords section. Here you need to put your main keywords. If you want to create a blog or video, then you have any idea or keyword on a specific topic. Put this main keyword in this Video Marketing Blaster Pro search area and also select Find Competitor option. You can check other options also, but first option recommended for the best result. Click on Start Gathering Information. This will take time and collect all information that's required about our keyword. Here you can see different types of keywords, sources and ranking position and search results. You can find your desired keyword from this area. Freelancing websites, how to start freelancing, how to identify your talent for how to start freelancing, and freelancing website. If you are making any video about the website, same like 10 best freelancing websites, then you can select this one and start freelancing. The very first thing, best freelancing website, this keyword also about the websites, how to start freelancing web developing. Here you can find out any best keyword for your video freelance job online. I am selecting this keyword, freelance job online. You can select these keywords and copy to clipboard, save to file. If you want to save, then you can click on copy to clipboard. I am going to use this video detail option. In video detail option you have three options: from competitors, from templates and semi-automatic. From templates is available in paid version. We only use from competitor option. Click on competitor option and here we put our main keywords. Our keyword is freelancing jobs online. And here you see many options. Target related video also generates sentences by scraping from Google, research keywords, find competitors, generates safe description tags. We only use these two options, target related video also and the last one. Click on start generating. This will take time and generate title, keywords and description for your video. Here also you can find suggested titles. If you don't like this title, then you can select from this. And he is showing some results. Views 3269. In order to get top ranking, please follow this easy steps. Likes 87 and click on done button. Here you can see suggested titles. If you don't like this keyword title, then you select from this area. And suggested phases, if you don't like this one, you can change from these phases. And if you don't like these tags, you can change from suggested tags area. Here you can see a few tags are available. You can add from this area. Best part-time jobs for high school, part-time data entry jobs from home without investment. And double click on this, you can see the tags added in this area. And freelance job from beginners, double click, and you can add tags from this area. You can copy these title, description and tags from this setting option. Click on this and copy, same like this. Click on and copy to clipboard. Same with tags. You can copy this title, description and tags and paste in your Excel form, Word file or on Notepad, and use this tags in your videos. The link of this software is given in description. Download this software from description and use for your videos. In the next video, I am going to tell you about free software. With this software, you can check your video ranking by using title, description and tags. So stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching my Tech Plus online earning. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification.